What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete Instagram message from both sides permanently. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your Instagram profile. After going to Instagram profile, you need to go to on message. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you so that you can delete all the messages from both sides permanently. So what you need to do next is click on the person you want to delete the message. I'm going to this person. Okay. Okay, I'm going to this person. After that, you have to go to on the chat that you want to delete from both sides. I'm going to delete this chat from both sides. You have to click on this. You have to tap on this. After tapping on this, here is the three option. You have to click on unsend. After clicking on unsend, the chat will be deleted from both sides. So this is that simple. That if you want to delete the chat from both sides, you have to do this. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.